How to change Snapchat Bitmoji gender. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Snapchat does not give us the option or the feature to change the gender of our Bitmoji. However, luckily, there's an easy solution that we can use and it will get the job done. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you do that, click on the profile or avatar icon at the top left corner. Once you are on this page right here, click on the settings gear icon at the top right. Now, once you do that, you will get to this page where you will need to search for Bitmoji from the first section. Once you find it, just click on it and you will get to this page right here, in which you will need to click on the option at the bottom that says unlink my Bitmoji. Once you click on it, you will get this pop-up window that asks you, are you sure you want to remove your Bitmoji? And it tells you what will happen when you do that. Just click on remove to continue. And once your Bitmoji has been removed, you will need now to create a new one. Just click on create my avatar. And once you do that, you will need to select the gender from the first step to the new gender that you need, and from there continue to create your Bitmoji just like you usually do. It won't take that long. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the gender of your Bitmoji on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.